It's just a really big project to do what we want to do to hit the back end numbers. Hi, Jess.
Okay. Hi.
How are you?
Hi, Jerry. I am good. I'm in the office. I'm also here with my broker, Tom.
Okay, great. Hi, Tom. My name's Jerry, and I'm Roy's finance partner.
Okay.
And wanted to talk about this project. We've been spending a little time really crunching our numbers. We work with some other investors there locally as well. I'm not from Pittsburgh. I'm out of state, but I've been doing real estate for a long time, almost 20 years, flipping houses. And really like this house, really want to take on this project, but our numbers are just coming in so much higher than we thought on like the rehab on this. So, as we go through this, we're just not able to really get this to pencil out. I think if we could get it for a little bit steeper of a discount, we could make it work. I mean, we're trying to find some ways to save on cost and, work with some more local contractors and another investor there that's really familiar and has some boots on the ground and some guys that are really reasonable. But it's just a really big project to do what we want to do to hit the back end numbers. So I guess I'm calling to kind of talk this out and see if there's something we can do. I mean, if we could get it for, a little bit lower, I think I could make all the numbers work. And I want to see if that's something that you could talk with the seller about.
All right. So the numbers that you came up with, is it based on the actual work that needs to be done on the property based on what you saw, or this is just a national number you're working with?
Yeah, like my original budget that I thought would work really well was around 100,000. And we're probably more like 125. I've gotten some bids at 150. I got one bid at 175. So it's just a massive scope. I mean, you got to do all the exterior, the garage, and then, just the electrical. We got some quotes on the electrical coming in at like 40,000. It's just to do it right, because I want to hit a 300,000 back end number, which I think I can, but to do that, I've got to go all out on the project. Right. So, okay. I'm still kind of off on my numbers, but if we could get it down to 70, so another 10 off, then, I could make that work. I'd be willing to put non-refundable earnest money, close as soon as you want, all of that. I just finally really feel solid about that number, given all the different quotes and stuff on the rehab. Even that's a little tight, but I kind of want to see it. I want to see it through if we can, but.
Are you going to be available in like 20 minutes or so?
Yeah. What happens in 20 minutes?
Okay. I'm going to give you a call back. I need to talk to the seller.
Okay. So you'll call the seller and then call me back?
Right.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay.
Do you want to just call me direct, or do you want to, how do you want to do it?
I'm going to have Roy on the call. So I'm going to call Roy.
Okay. So call Roy, and then Roy, you patch me in.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. Yes.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Thank you,
All right. Thanks, guys. Talk to you in a minute. Bye.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello. Yeah.
Mr. Jacinth?
I'm right here.
Okay, Jerry.
I'm here.
Okay, Jacinth. Okay, go ahead and say everything, Jacinth.
Okay, here we go. So, spoke with owner. That's a no. So we're releasing the contract today, and the property is going on the market ASAP. And I have a backup buyer.
You have a backup buyer?
Yes.
Okay. Who's your backup buyer? I mean, is it another investor? Is that what you're saying?
Somebody that's okay, yes.
Okay. Okay. Well, I guess that's where we're at.
Yeah, thank you so much, though. Appreciate it.
All right.
All right.
If anything changes, let me know.
All right. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Oh.